So now we'll start a new file using our template. Sorry. Imperial, it should be English. Let's look for a plumbing template. So plumbing default metric. Okay. Why are we using a template? Have an idea?
Standard.
Yeah, that's a good word. That's a good idea. Standard, which means if it's a plumbing template, some or most of the plumbing equipments that you would need are already in the template. So there will be pipe already. There will be WC already. There will be other things that you need for your plumbing project. A similar way for electrical, similar for HVAC, and similar also to structural, which we did last time. Remember when we used the structural, there are already loaded steel columns and concrete columns. There's even one truss, right? We just added new truss. So at least the basics that you need are already there, but not everything. So we might need to download or load a few more of the families. So let's just check what we have here in our template. So we have two floor plans. If you look at the elevation, again, this is exactly the same workflow that we'll be doing in the last time that we did the structure. What did we do, Alisa?
We borrow the drawing from the chapter. We copy the grid and the house.
So how do you borrow?
Here, we go to
You have to link it first, right?
Yeah.
Bring it here, and then we borrow the things. And good. So that's what we will be doing now. Insert now the architecture link. Link Revit. Let's get our file. Where's our file? In focus. B11 arc 2, right? This, all right. Okay, open. Okay, close. No problem. So again, not one, but we need to link the other guy, right? Again, link Revit. Bring the structure. Which structure?
Yeah.
3, right? So open. Let's see if it goes in the correct position. Yeah, it does, right? So you now have two links. So this first link is the structural link, you can see there. And the other is the architectural link, right there, the architectural link. From where should we borrow? No, from where? From the architecture, right? Because the structure he borrowed also from the, yeah, you don't want to borrow something that's already borrowed, right? So let's go to collaborate. You know it very well now. What's the next step?
Okay.
Copy monitor, right? And then select the link. So we select this link. This is the architecture link. Click that. Okay, let's copy one by one. No problem. Copy. Multiple. Let's copy them. We're gonna copy all. Yeah, no problem. We copy them all. Did you select them? Seems like only one is selected. So let's click Control. Why? Something went wrong. I'll cancel. Copy monitor. Select link. This is the link.
Click on the.
Actually, if you want to copy more than one, you can click batch copy. Let's try batch copy. No, not this one. Okay. Just copy and click multiple. Then we go one by one, because it's gonna have to copy it, right? And then the next one. Why? There has to be the monitor, right? But let's keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you click finish, let's see. What did it say?
Only one basement.
Only one have been copied.
Yeah.
Oh, something wrong. What's wrong, Raja? Yeah, only one. Basement only, right? What should we do? You can just click copy if you want to try one by one. So that automatically is copied. Is this copied? This has the monitor symbol already. Let's click this. There. This. There. This. There. This. This. There it is now. This. There now. And this. There now. What happened to level 2? Why is it still blue, Raja? This element has already been copied. Stop existing one. Okay, no problem. So we finish. Has been copied, it said. But what we'll do now is we have double link now. This is something that we need to remove now, right? Delete this. This is the link on the, this is the level on this template. We'll just delete that. Oh, no. Wait. Yeah, right? We can delete it. Yes. But you don't have a view there. No worries. We'll put a view later on. Okay. So we have now the similar levels. What else do we need? Grid, okay. Grid. So can we just take it from the basement plan? Better from the basement plan, right? Let's go to the basement plan, but we don't have basement plan. How do we get it? View. Okay, we'll take all of this. Okay. Okay, I have the floor plans now. Go to basement. There is the grid. So again, manage, collaborate. Copy monitor. Select the link. Which link is this? This is the architectural link. And copy. Multiple. Can we this? You can also filter, right? Before you finalize. Filter. We need only the grids, right? 11 grids, that correct? 2, 4, 6 plus 5, correct? Click OK. I have a doubt. Okay, grids only. Click OK. Finish. Okay. Came out and then finish it here. Okay. Make sure you finish it there. This is still active once it's still there. Click finish and you have those grids already in. We can now touch the grids, right? So where do we make our plumbing? Where do you need to put our pipes?
hall, right?
Toilets, right? We have a toilet, right? Here. Remember? Okay, we'll have two toilets. So let's put on the, what do we put?
Components, right?
Hmm?
Components.
Hand wash and the WC. And for the male, which is the male one? Left or right?
Right side.
Right side?
Yes.
If I'm the designer, I will put the female here.
Wait.
Because the male will be up to here only. He will walk until here only.
Correct, correct.
Right? Because if you have to pass by the ladies, that could be an issue, right? Let the ladies pass by us. It's okay, right? That's acceptable. Acceptable. But yes, right? The ladies will be the far end of the toilet. But usually here they put separate entrance. Okay. So let's put on the fixtures. They call it fixtures. So we click on the Systems tab. So this time we're in the Systems tab. Before we are in Architecture and Structure. Now we go to the Systems tab. And we click on Plumbing Fixture. If you click the Plumbing Fixture, we already have the ready ones. No? We have this much. We have a urinal. We have a sink mop for the janitor to clean the things. We have a sink. We don't have a kitchen here, right? We need only hand wash. What else? We have a floor drain, which is very important. So let's start with but the closet is an ugly closet. This is the one which has the pipe like that. So we don't want that. Let's load the new one. US. We're going to Imperial again. English, US. Every English. It'd be US metric, right? We don't have US metric. English Imperial. Oh, this is the English. Correct. Plumbing. Letter P. Plumbing. We'll have you'll have two folders. So this time we are doing the plumbing. We go to the MEP folder. Okay. The fixtures in the MEP folder are complete with the connectors for the water and for the drainage. The ones in the architectural, they don't have it. But let's go to fixtures and let's get the water closet. Let's get a good one. Yeah, this looks like a good one, right? Open it. Okay. Space bar to rotate it. Where do we put it, Razak? This should be fine here, right? One more for the lady. Very good. Okay. Let's add more plumbing fixture, but I want to load more. The urinal that we have there is not that good. Let's go for the urinal. Urinal. This is a stall. This is better. The one in the hotel, na? That's complete like that. Yes. Nobody will like that. The wall hung. Sometimes you need to put the partition, right? Just for privacy issues. Right? I'll tell you a story about that later on. In Philippines, in public buildings, you don't have that. We just have like a continuous drain. You have in India? They just have like continuous drain like that.
There is partition, small partition.
You put partition, huh?
Yeah, small.
Us, no partitions. So if you are
In schools,
in schools,
yeah, direct.
in private, it's open like that. And even in public places, let's say public transportation areas like that. So if you are coming there, you want to be in the corner, right? Right? So that you can align yourself like that, right? There are two safe corners there, right? Otherwise, you'll be in the middle, and you never know what's gonna happen. The other one, okay. So let's get the stall. I think this is the good one. Let's open. Okay, that's good for the guys. So to save some water, you don't want to do it here. You just want to do it here, right? Maybe it can be here somewhere. No, here. Yeah. Then you put the hand wash there. Of course, ladies, you don't need that, right? For ladies, you want more oh, yeah, bidet maybe, but this is just like an individual toilet. So we just put a hand wash for that. So let's get another hand wash because what we have here is not that good. Let's go to load family and let's get the lavatories. This is a complete vanity, usually for houses, no? But for offices, we don't use this. We just use the wall mounted. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, wall mounted is good. Okay, you have another shape there, but I think this should be fine. Open. Okay, it will look for a wall. If you don't have a wall, it will not fix there. Right? So make sure you have a wall or tap to the nearest one. Okay, so let's say we put this right here. Maybe for the ladies, we need like a counter, a longer counter, because she need to put her bag there. And then she wash her face or maybe do her makeup first, right? For the man, he just need to wash his hands there. Okay? That should be fine. And when we are setting up the plumbing and even the other MEP models, it is safe to work on plans and sections. As much as we want to work on 3D view, it's a bit um, dangerous because it's not easy to find to let the pipes go into a proper direction. Okay, so the best practice is to use sections. So we will create section views along here. Okay, we can flip that, right? How do we flip that? There. Okay, so it will look this way, and then let's have another section that looks somewhere here. Okay, then we can just move this along, whichever we are working on. Okay, so we'll start working on the ladies WC right here. Actually, it's better to do it here and look that way. Okay, so we are not seeing the other um, fixtures. So here we go. If I click on the plumbing fixture, you will see that there are this, right? So this is what you call it. I forgot the name. This is already a connector. It's a connector for the drainage pipe. Oh no, actually it's a water supply. It's cold water. And this is for the drainage pipe. It is saying it's 100 mm. Which is correct, usually for the drainage. Here is only a 15 mm for water supply. Let's look at the others. If you click on this hand wash, you'll see that there are two water supply. One has the red thing for the hot water, and the other one is for the cold water. In Qatar, if it's summer, both are big problem, right? In my house, I would switch off the heater, so that becomes the cold water. So it's opposite during the summer. Opposite during the summer, but yes, this is our situation here. And then you have the drainage, which is it doesn't need that big of a drainage because it's just a hand wash. Needs only a 32 mm pipe. Okay, so that's the same. That's the same. How about for the urinal? So it needs a bigger drainage, and no, this is water supply, right? But where is the drainage?
Center.
There is the drainage. Is it the drain?
That is center.
No, this guy does not have a drainage here.
No, upside.
Huh?
Outside. It's like next up the circle.
Which one?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Little down.
This? This one?
Upside, left up circle. Upside, go.
Left of circle.
Yeah.
This? No, this is flip the work plane.
But it means that circle only.
We'll find out later. Okay? Because there's the drainage, right? It is telling us what size it is. But here it's telling us only what is the water supply. So maybe we have a problem with this guy. We can always replace it. Okay, so let's start. Let's go to this section view. You're already familiar with the section views. Go to view. So you will see that WC right there. Okay. So on the side view, you will see that the drainage goes from the bottom and the water supply starts from there. Right? So let's start with the drainage. Let's click this bottom. See, you will see single line. It's okay to start with single line. So usually this goes like that, and it will go like this. And usually would go down like that, right?
It's automatically drainage system, huh?
Hmm?
That's picture, fittings.
Yes, automatic, automatic. We are Revit, no? Automatic. So this is single line. Why? Because we are in the detail level of course. Course detail level. If you put that to fine, what you're gonna see? You'll see the real pipe right there. Okay, so that's the drainage pipe. Okay, so let's do the same drainage for the hand wash. Let's go to the level 1 again. Let's look at this section view and let's flip it. Okay, go to the view. Okay, which one now?
You one, right?
Should be this, right? That's for the male, right? It should be this guy. So we have the drainage right here. Actually, this is not the best view because the drainage, it has like a P-trap. It will go down and then go up, then go like that again. So the best view is like side view of it, right? So let's go to the side view. So that means we need to get this view, right? This is better view. Go to view. Okay, there we go. So at least we know it should be here. Let's put it now to define. So we see that it's right there. So we click this guy, click that. See, it's gonna go down. And then let's bend it a little bit. Let it go up. Ensure that you have enough space there because otherwise, if you bend it too soon, the elbows will clash to each other. It will not allow you to do it. Okay, so then you go to the wall like that.
It should come drying also, right? Yeah.
Hmm?
We need to put on drying. Any blockage should come, so we need to release that blockage.
Yeah, when we buy it, it's already having this, but now we are doing it manually. Here, there has to be like a plug right there, right? Actually, the ones that are readily available in the market, it's not like this. We're doing it manually. It's just straight like that. that can be removed here, and then they had done something like this, right? It's something like this, and then you can remove this for in case that maybe you drop and somebody has a false teeth. He dropped he dropped it right there, and he needs to catch it, right? So he needs to open it and get it from there. Or maybe you drop your ring, or maybe your phone will not go there for sure, right? Okay. So let's just actually here in Qatar, the hand wash they go to the floor drain. Did you notice that? The floor drain. But my problem right now is I did not bring that drain, the floor drain that has the connector for this other drains. So the floor drain is just a normal drain. So what we'll do is we'll let this go out on the main drain. Okay. I'll just get this to go maybe here. Okay. And go down like that. Supposedly we should have like a shaft, double wall, right? That's the best practice. But anyway, you'll get that done when you're in the real practice already. Okay. I will make sure that I save the project. We haven't saved it. Save. What should be the name? B11 plumbing. Plum. Okay. And options, keep it 3. Okay. And save. We are doing the plumbing in the toilet, in the WC. I don't know what happened, but my system wants me to go there. So let's take a short break. You can have your coffee. Ashley, how are you? Getting it? Automatically installed. Yeah. How do you install the new one? No, Michael. Okay. Okay. Working. Working. Okay. Um,
And I will not. Something from the previous one. This is from email to me also. Wait. I and so update. Okay. Before that. Lord. Okay. Is the Revit familiar? And then so basically okay. You can download the other template. I don't know how to install that one. By this one, you only download much. Yeah, download. Yes. Okay, for example, those I will download those. Yeah. So let's make the video. That's how I do it. Okay. Now we can. Okay, I download. Okay. And we do this. No, don't click it. We have this. We have that file change. This. Yes, this is a different. How can I install this one? Already installed. So when you go to your project, you want to do it. This is my folder. Where is that one? And the door right come to block. And close control. And come to the front. Go. Download. Yes. No. And we are following everything, generally. Okay. No, sometime I'm over time. When we down, I will go back again. Yes, right? Yes, minimize. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. But we still out here, when we go there, we will tell them, we can access it. Okay, I will click here, okay? Like that. Oh, no. Only for. Everything is here. You click here. Okay, I need this one. For example, click this. Okay. Then file. So, file time. Right here, right. This time. Okay. So we plan. Okay. Read the plan. Another video. Okay. Is there not any conflicts? So, yeah, like that. Oh, no. Yeah, Yes, sir, I have.
You have 24, right?
Yeah, but you cannot find one. How to go?
I don't know.
I have another computer, but I cannot shift because my outlook and everything. Yeah, I will do it one day.
Let me have your information. No, let me have your information.
So you want which one? You need PC or which one? Home?
It's in the seat, right?
I want to see. You do my
Lower this.
Okay.
Lower this. It is not here. You cannot see it here. Because it's in program data.
Okay.
Okay, so you, okay.
I
Hidden.
not the idea.
Don't show hidden file. Okay, show hidden file. You can go back there. This program, folder example. Program data. Okay? Yes. So this,
I do it.
Revit, RVP 202. There. There you go. Already, library, horizontal,
Okay. Copy.
download. You need download the templates and
What all you need to copy? No.
other template. Copy the entire RVP 2020. You might be doubling what you have already. I don't find this on. So take this already. Just take the templates. This one, templates and library. These two folders. Template and library. But you have to pay Ashley now. You have to pay him.
No need. No need money, but I need.
Ashley, how's your baby?
I don't.
When is this picture? You have one, you're holding one baby.
Yeah. 3 months.
How old is he now? He or she?
See.
Oh, baby girl.
It's good.
Now 1 year?
3 months old.
Only 3 months. I think I remember you went home. Did you go? You go, right?
Yes, I went to out for delivery.
Yes, right?
Then I come back again. I went to the
So we are here already for 3 months.
class. No. When I go before 3 months, I went to delivery. Then I come back again 45 after 45 days. I went again my second.
Ah, this is the one that you told me you
That is
wanted.
only 1 week.
Yes, right.
That's for Eid.
That is during the Eid, right? Yes, that's why I know you went to
Yes,
see
yes,
her.
celebrate without penalty. That's Eid.
You said that your wife is here before
Before 2 years. No, but now
because of the situation is so bad,
nobody support us.
difficult. Better there, no? You have your mother, your father, your
After
sisters.
6 months,
Yeah.
she will
Yes,
like
yes.
fine now.
Yes, yes. Now she's very,
But the
very
weather also will continue.
yeah, better bring them when it's winter. Don't bring during summer. Terrible.
It will take 30 minutes.
This is like 1 GB file.
Okay.
1 GB, yeah, for sure.
Oh,
Only 1 GB.
These all drainages need to connect in single location, right?
Yeah. It should go to here in Qatar, it will go to the public, the main sewer. Right? In some of our countries, we have the septic tank.
Yeah, we also same.
Yeah, you have septic tank, right?
Yes.
So the solid matter, they live there, then the water goes to the sewer, right?
We are doing, you are telling the city side. We are saying in village are all in septic tank.
Everything, even the ones that you wash your
Toilet
hands.
is totally separate septic tank, but washing, bathing, everything separate septic tank. They using like that. And if it is full, sewerage tank is mobile transportation is coming, then full all
Suck it, right?
Yes.
So this, once you learn connecting the pipes here in plumbing, here in drainage, it is easy for you now to put the piping for the water supply. It's the same way.
Yeah,
you do.
it's
Yes.
is that right?
Yeah. We will do it. And then after that, it will also be easy for you to do the connection.
If you want to increase the pipe size, means edit option directly. Huh?
Just select it. For example, this guy.
yeah.
You need to make it duplicate or directly you can change the
You
size?
can change here. No? You will see the size. The size here is right there. No? 32 mm. Actually, it's wrong because we are using copper. Why are we using copper here? Should not be copper, right?
PVC, right?
But we don't have any other option.
Okay.
Okay, this is pipes. It should be this guy.
Yeah,
PVC. Okay, so right there. So even this, it should be, let's select them, okay, and change it to the correct PVC. All right, so now we're happy. Okay, how about for this? What did we use? Pipes. Okay. Copper again? My God, how can you use copper here? Yeah, very expensive. It's just a drainage. So like this, guys. Make sure it's filtered. We need only the pipes. Okay. Now we can choose PVC. All right.
Maybe even fittings also maybe copper. Can you check?
Where's it? Standard.
Standard, huh?
Elbow welded. I think it's standard. Yeah, it should be fine. It's sanitary. It should have also the correct uh, category right there. Okay. So what we are missing right now is a floor drain. Let's put a floor drain. Let's start at the level 1 floor plan. Let's put a floor drain. We already have a floor drain, right? Let's just go to our families right here. This is another way of placing your components. Here under plumbing, we have the floor drain. Okay, you have different sizes. Let's get the one with 100 mm drain. Okay, so you can just drag and drop it here. But see what's happening. Why?
Different size.
No, here, see. By default, it says place on vertical face. So it will go here actually, but it's no use, right? It'll be on the floor. So what you do, place on face, right? or place on work plane. Place on tray should be fine. So you want to put it maybe here.
Obviously, corner.
It's already here, but how come you cannot see it? What's the problem? What's the problem? View range, right? View range. Our view range is looking at the up to the floor only. And actually at the floor, we have the floor. And it is now clashing with the floor. So you cannot see it. So what you need to change is the view range. So let's go to the view range. Okay, this is the floor plan. Where is our view range? Where's the view range? Close it. View range, where are you, view range? Underlay, none, okay. It's level 1, okay. Why is top level 3? Anyway, that should be fine. Look down, where is view range? There. Why can't we edit the view range? There's a problem? Hmm? I think because of our, we have what you call um uh, it's called view template. We are using the view template for the plumbing, but we can actually modify it later on. So it is we have a view template for the plumbing plan. So for us to edit the view range, you can actually click that. And we can just adjust the view range here actually, here. So that whatever change is right there. So for the view range, we can click here. Better to click here. So we stay on the plumbing view. So what we'll do is the bottom level, we'll just offset it a little bit down so you can see beyond the floor. Okay. So let's put minus 50 is enough, right? Just to see the top of it. Then apply and okay. Apply and okay. There you go. You see it now, right? Okay. So let's go to this view and put the drain on it. Okay. So what's gonna happen is a good thing actually because there's an opening here. We'll get all the pipes out here and they will drain, they will go somewhere. Okay. So let's go to back to this view. Go to view. There's the floor drain. Select that. Click that. PVC, right? All right. Okay. So now we have this. The floor drain, does it have a, I think it should also have a, uh, like a trap. It's called a trap. It's a P trap or something. So let's have a trap like this. And it goes like that. And it goes like this. And this will go out of the building. I did not go. See, this is what I'm talking about. The space is not enough, right? So that means you need to adjust this a little bit more. Better we adjust it outside.
There is a wall.
Yeah, there is a wall actually. Never mind the wall for now. Very similar. Let's just draw like that. And let's say it goes out like this. See, again, it's not enough length. The height is not enough. So we pull it up a little bit. And then just right click, create similar. Then you can now go outside like that. Okay? We'll connect them later on to the main line. So question. See what happens to the pipe. They become green right away after we put the connection. See, look here in the level 1 plan. These guys became green because they already have the connection, right? That is because we are using the plumbing view template. Okay, it is automatic like that. So you will know that whichever is not yet green does not have the connection yet, right? Okay, so since we are done with this, at least on the side of plumbing, can we just copy this to the other side so we don't need to put piping? Yes, right? So we'll just delete this guy. Maybe we copy after we put the water supply also. Better, right? Right? So this, we don't need it. Okay. We'll just copy them later on. Okay, so let's put water supply for this WC. We know it's simple. Let's go to this view. Look that way. Okay, we are still recording, right? Okay. And yeah, that's a good view. Go to the view. For water, we don't have much issues on bending. It will go 90 degrees like that. So yeah, we just select this, we get the water. So let's say the water tank is from the roof. Okay, so let's just have a pipe going up. Then later on, we'll connect it to another bigger pipe. This is a smaller pipe. So let's keep it here. So let's say the main branch is maybe a little bit bigger normally, right? If this is 15, maybe that will be, no, maybe 25 or maybe 30, right? Okay. So at least it already have a connection. So let's go to the hand wash, level 1 again. Okay. It should be on the side view, right? So here, let's go here. And actually, we can just do it on the plan view. Okay, so it can go out of the water. So let's click this cold water. Let it go from here and then go out this way, right? We will connect it later on to the sink. Now, this time, for the hot water, where does the hot water come from? From the heater, right? So let's say we'll place the heater nearby, okay? Near the ceiling, usually, right? But do we have enough space at the ceiling? That's the question. So maybe we have a big heater um, for the building, which is at the rooftop. Then it goes down as well, okay? So let's just get this pipe out and let it go down here, okay?
Single line.
Just for now, because we did not go on the fine. We will adjust the plumbing view again here in the plumbing plan, the template, because what we did is for the visibility detail level should not be medium, should be fine. Okay, apply, and there you go. Okay.
Excellent.
Hmm?
Where you go? Get it?
Here, we have a view template. We are now using a view template. If you edit that, then you can edit this, which are also here. So you have the override, you have the shadows, etc., etc. Okay, so these are the settings for this plumbing plan. There will also be mechanical, electrical, and architectural. So that is what you call the view template. Apply and okay. Okay, looking good now. So let's go to this section view and let's see what's happening behind this work. Go to the view. Okay, so those are the water. Actually, if you want it to go down first like this and do that, you can also do it. So let's say I decided that goes down and go like this. You can just delete this pipe, delete that. But remember, there's this fitting as well, so you can delete that as well. Okay. Now this is there's still a pipe that came out. So you can just right click and you say create similar or draw pipe, create similar. You just draw and you go down like this. And then you draw going outside. Right? Just like that. Okay, so automatically you know that this is creating it on its own. But how does that look in the 3D? How can we make a 3D view? How do we make a 3D view? Oops, sorry. Undo. Remove the select by face. You just select this part. Oops, sorry. Select this. Maybe select this part. And click this selection box. Okay. Then you'll have that 3D view. And of course, you can adjust that if you want to see the other WC, which is right there. There's the urinal. Okay. You can pull this here like that. And this is a 3D view. It is not under the plumbing template. So you can control this. You can make this fine so that you can see the pipes. You can pull it up a little bit at the bottom. So now you can see it right there. Little bit more here. See, you are doing your plumbing already. Okay. You can easily follow this at home, right? Just watch the video. But that's just the key. Plan and section. And then just click on the tag and change it as you like. Okay. So the next is we'll try to copy. We have water already, right? And let's try to copy this if it's gonna go there with the pipe already. Let's see. Level 1. Let's select this, copy, and get it here. What happened? Did not copy the pipe, right? Undo. Can we select also the pipes? Let's try. Okay. Copy. But better check the 3D, right? So better you copy this. You can copy in the 3D view. Better, right? There you can choose this. And now you have like a full system of this guy. And now you can go back to your level 1, copy, and just place it right there. Okay. You can also group it if you like, right? You can group it, but later on the problem is you need to ungroup it if you want to connect them together. Okay. So this we can also copy, right? But the piping is a problem here. I want to connect one pipe that connects two. So I don't want to copy them. I will just copy this, or no need. I'll just place one, right? Yeah, it can just go directly there because it's water. It's under pressure. Let's just get the plumbing fixture, which is this. Place on vertical base, right there, right? Okay. This can actually go straight, but it has to bend, right? We really need to add another wall here.
Between that wall.
Yeah, usually they will crack the wall and get it here. But we use a very thin gypsum wall here. It should have been a double wall. It should be a double wall actually. It should be a double wall.
Separate bathroom, right?
It should be a double wall here, so that in the middle there will be the pipe and everything. But anyway, we'll try to modify for now. Let's have this water pipe. So let's say the water pipe, it goes like this. Can actually connect to that guy. See, it's finding its connection. Look, and it will go. Did not go. You can actually connect them. See, from here to here, I will connect it, right? I will use what should I use? TR. What? Modify this tool. Okay, trim extend to corner. See, look what's gonna happen. Click this and that. See, connected, right? Went there. Let's look at the 3D. Okay, it's not perfect, but it will find its way. Okay, because it has to go there. Because the real thing is keep it simple so that you don't need to buy all of these angles.
We can make downside and we can come directly. There is many beds, so
Yeah, but the problem is it is not aligned. See, if it was aligned, you still need to go out, right? Maybe if this is like nearer here, right? Little bit more.
The second was on this. The fire, we did not drop it down, this one.
This guy, right? I think this will work.
What's
Let's-
up?
Now let's remove this. Now let's remove this now. See, when you modify this, make sure you delete the remaining ones. Okay. Now we can get this.
Yes.
Yeah, it will now even create its vertical. Look, like this, here, and there. Oh, it's not long enough. This is the problem. What if we move this? Let's say there is a wall. It doesn't go in, right? Let's move it a little bit more if it can still accommodate. Can it still? No more. Right? Maybe we make this shorter, right? There. It will go now? Oh,
No,
because it's at the bottom?
No,
level
we
is.
have to, get a.
We need to get a vertical pipe. So let's look at this view. Where is that view? Or the side view? Section 1? Yeah. We got confused already. We need to move the section. So this should look that way. It should look that way. Flip it, all right? That of view. Don't worry, the problem here is the architectural because we did not provide double wall. So here we create a similar one or draw pipe goes down, right? Why are we using PVC? Should be copper, right? Cheaper. Oh yeah, the green one, right? Okay, no problem. That should be the similar one. Let's draw it. Okay. Going down like that now. What happens? No auto route solution was found. Okay. Oh my, let's see. 3D. It can actually be done in 3D, but there's just some danger. Sometimes it might not hit it right. Let's try to get that. Let's see. This and that. Okay, it's difficult. Better to be on the. Where are we now? See this and this, right? Here it will connect. Here and there. But this is actually a wrong. The water will not go there up. The water supply is coming from here, right? Don't worry, we'll do something about that. Water. Is too great or too small? Again, cancel. So the problem is it is too short. Let's move this down. I think this should work now. Okay. There you go. Happened. There was not enough room. Again, it's the distance. Anyway, let's go back there. Let's fix this first. I think it's the distance right there. Go back to plan. See, because it's away, right? It is not aligned. What are we gonna do now? What if I put this? I'll put this on this wall, right? Better. Let's put that on that wall. What do I do? How do I move this to another wall? Pick new. Get it there. Okay. Okay, no problem. Disconnect. Now this is better for us. Okay, so now we click this, get the cold water pipe, which will go out here and go out there, right? And now it will find its connection right there. It can even be done in the plan view. There you go. There's the vertical. It created its own that it has to go down. Because we did not go down here, right? It went down right there. And don't worry like that. We'll cover it later. It should be correctly done like this. It should be somehow inside, right? But we are having some issues on the thing. Yeah. And if you want, we can move this here. We'll just create something later, better or whatever. Now, this is not yet correct, right? Where is that view? See, it should be a T, right? Not like that. So what we'll do is we'll select this and we can actually delete that. Okay. And this can be connected to this pipe. You just drag it and it will connect. Okay. It will not put a coupling. It will just be as a straight one. Now, this guy can go here using our same command. This guy, right? Click this and click that. Boom. Now correct. The water will go there. But actually, it can just be a T. Look. I will undo. It can be a T. If you drag this onto the straight, oh, why is not like that? Maybe we don't have a T. Do we have? There should be a T, right? T sanitary. This guy?
Yeah.
But it's already that one. Okay, it's a T, but it has a little, so that the water will be smoothly going. I think that's correct, right? Yeah, the water has to go. This, this exactly, yeah, I think it's correct, yeah. I think that's correct. This? No, we use that for a pipe. There is small ones. There are those ones. Okay, so here it worked, right? It did like that. It went out and went down. Okay. So we have also hot water here. So it's better to connect it at to the same pipe, right? Now what we'll do is we will maybe pull this out like that. So that's why we really need to adjust our wall. So that's what will happen later on. We will coordinate with the architect. We'll say, architect, you need to provide a shaft or a double wall here. Okay. Yes, and then later on, maybe we can put this back on this wall if there's already an enough. That's what coordination is happening in the actual. Okay. So I will not go further here because it's the similar way, right? It's a similar way. I will now bring in a water heater. Okay. Let's get a water heater.
You're trying to fix outside or inside the building?
Where do you want to put it?
In my outside.
In the roof, right? Better, right?
We have many tons.
Yeah, and we have yeah, actually for big buildings, we have the main heater right there. Yes, for houses, kitchen, you have the small one. Okay, so let's have one at the roof. Go to the roof plan. Where is our roof plan? So this is our roof plan. Let's put one right there. Do we have toilet at the roof? We don't have, right? So we can place the water tank, the normal water tank, and the heater here. So where do we get the those equipments? So this water tank and water heater, they are classified as equipment. Okay, they are not fixtures, they are equipment. So we go here to our systems and we bring in a plumbing equipment. You click plumbing equipment, there is nothing which is loaded. So we need to load one. So under here, you have MEP, you have equipment. Click that. Now we can get a water heater. So water heater. Okay, this is big already, big tank. And click open. And then let's place it here. Okay.
It's also wall piece, right?
No, it's it goes on the floor.
No,
Okay. So if you notice the connection, you need a supply for it, right? You need to bring in cold water. And then there will be an out for a hot water right there. How many outs? Yeah, there is one right there. And then there is also a drain. Drain. Sometimes you need to clean it or something. This is the drain. And then this is power. You need to connect it to a power source. Then let's put on the big normal water tank. It is not in the plumbing equipment. Actually, the water tank goes under the mechanical equipment. Yeah. Click mechanical equipment and then load family. We go to the MEP. Sorry. US mechanical. We go to the MEP. This side, we go to the water side components. Okay. We can have now the water tank here. Okay. We have a vertical tank, or if you want the horizontal tank. Which one do you like?
Square tank.
We need to buy it somewhere. It's not given free. Huh? Well, it takes time, no? You want to create a family, we can just download it from BIM object. No? But this is okay already. Let's get this one. Let's open. Save the project. So how big is this guy? Okay. 266 liters.
It's very small.
Let's go for 1,000 liters. Right? Ah, there. It's big enough.
Yeah.
There you go. So there is an out. Where is the in? There's no in. How do you bring the water in? Big problem. Where is the in? It's only out. Why? Let's look at that.
Out of three.
Let's look at the 3D view, maybe. Let's see. There's only an out? Oh, gosh.
Oh. Yeah, another.
So let's go. Actually, you can add a connector for this, but anyway, let's try the other one. Load. Freestanding. Want to try this? Open. Go to the roof. Let's see. Oh, too small. What's the biggest one that this has? Actually, we have the inline, but it's very small, right? 53 liters. So we have 452 liters. That's big enough, right? Then let's have 2 or 3. Let's have 1.
You can make it two, right?
Again, out only. Let's see the 3D.
So the car uses it.
So all these tanks have only out. There's no in. My God.
You can put.
What happened, Asli?
You
Hmm?
cannot create the connection.
Let's see. It will be a little bit complicated. We need to modify the family. But anyway, let's say it has connection already from the Karama, right? Only Karama is allowed to put the in, right? Not us. So this
Yeah.
will have to have 2 pipes.
I have to make the one.
So one that goes in here and then one that goes down to the cold water supply. I think that's easy. Let's go to the plan view. Let's remove this. Let's go to the what's the roof plan? Okay, we don't need this. Roof plan. Select this. 90 mm. It's big enough, right? Click that. Oh, so big. I think this is too big. Anyway, we can change it, right? Then it goes like this. And this can be going down, straight down, right? And then it can just branch out to supply this guy. So where is the supply of this? This is out. Where is the in? Okay, right there. So let's say this. What happened? Again, drag. Oh, okay, sorry. What's wrong? I think we need to lift it up. Let's go to this view again. Let's look at it this way. Go to the view. Let's go to the roof. Because this guy is supposed to go here. Because we're going that way, we need to lift it up a little bit first. So let's lift it up like that and then move it like this. Okay. Then maybe move it down. Almost a similar level of this, right? So it can connect to our pipe. So let's go now to this roof again. So this can connect there, but we need a better view. Let's move this view here so we can see it. Okay, go to that view. Right there. I sit at the back. Wrong view. It's hiding. That's a little bit more. Okay, now it's enough. Okay, now you can see it. No? So this, we can now create something similar, and this can connect right there. Okay, this can connect here after. We'll let it connect. So at the plan view, we can get this guy to connect here. Right? So this is so big of a pipe. I think 50 mm is enough for this. What size? 50 should be enough, right? It's too big. Remove this one. So here we need a reducer from the big pipe, right? But here we don't need. That should be fine, right? And then this guy can connect right there. It will create its own. There's a reducer again. Okay. It's correct angle, right? Because it is supplying, right? It's going like that. So it will go up right there. Okay. And now we need to go get the hot water to go down. Go back to the section 1. Let's get this pipe. Where can we get it to go? Yeah, from here. It should go there. Huh? Can go outside already. Outside of the wall, right? Then going down. Going down up to here. Right? Touching the wall already. We can adjust, not worry. I see touching the wall. How we change the wall thickness there. We can just move it a little bit. Okay. So this is where's the other pipe? We need to move the section view again. So let's move this section view here so that we can add the pipe for the cold water pipe going down. Go to the view. This pipe, create similar. Get this to go down up to this level. Okay. We can move it out of the wall, no worries. It will adjust. Okay. Now my battery needs to be connected. Revit, it's a lot of power, no? Just 2 hours and my battery is already.
Our laptop should be same one.
We need the Elon Musk battery, huh? The battery from who's this guy? The Tesla. Even this Tesla can run only 500 kilometers. Then you need to recharge it. How about your battery in the Indian electric car? How many hours? How many how many kilometers it can run?
Depends on capacity. Like a two-wheeler, maximum 90 kilometers.
90. You have two-wheeler? Electric? You have electric. Just plug it in. Huh? Bajaj or what? The Bajaj you need boom, boom. It needs to have the.
They are not yet released. TVS, Honda, Hero Honda, they are released electric vehicle.
Electric, huh?
In every home there is electric vehicle nowadays. Very cheaper than
So you don't need to go to the fuel.
Yes. Fuel cost high in India.
Very good, no? Because there's a big market of motorbikes in India. No?
Yes. So many companies are there.
Yes, yeah, 1 billion people. Nice. So there you go. It will just have to go there, right? And similar way with these guys, with the drain.
Drainage should go down.
Yeah, it will go down, but of course you'll have something at the upper floor. So what we do, let's copy these things to the upper floor, right? So we can see how it will connect. But let's connect them first, going to the outside before we copy them. So let's go to the level 1. We have the drain. We have that drain right there. Okay. The view. Oh, we have only 1 floor drain, right? Better we copy the floor drain, including the what happened to the view. We copy this. Copy that. Okay. Level 1. Copy and put it here on the other place. Okay. So you have two of it. And then let's connect them using our section view here. Oh, sorry. That's not the section view. This is the section view. Go to the view. What is this? This is the drainage. Can they connect? No, floor drain should be another drain. Or we put them together. So let's say this is like a vertical coming from the upper floor. Okay. Then this can connect right there actually. Let's say you can go out like that. If possible, what happened there? Let's see. Might be something bad. Oh, that's bad. Is this possible? I think this is better to put it a little bit high, right? It's but difficult to control here. Yeah, but not in the 3D. It's difficult to do that. And the section we can do that. We can move this actually. What happened now? Oh, what happened? It's here, right? We need that other section view. It's this. It's this guy coming from there. We need to move it up like that, right? Better, right? And let's say, yeah, that's good enough. Let's go. There, that's better, right? This is good. Good, Razak. You can do this now in your house. In Ghana. So now we will connect the other. So supposedly, for example, if this is a drain, this and that should connect, right? So let's go to this other view, section view, level 1. Let's go to this view. There's a 3D now. We want this. Gosh, what's happening now? Section 1. We cannot see. Okay, it's right there. Yeah, we want to connect it from here. So let's have this, extend this right there. Okay. So is it possible to connect it to here? Must be in the plan view, right? But we cannot see from the bottom. What do we do? We can adjust again our. We want to go look below. There is our view. Running level. Let's go down a little bit in our view range. Let's go down 1 meter. Minus 1 meter. Okay, apply. Okay. Now we can see the pipes. I think this can connect here, right? PR, shortcut for that, is and that. There. Okay. Did this connect? Can this connect? I think it can connect also, right? But we did.
Drainage is different, right? Different drainage, right?
Yeah. But we're just trying to make things easier for now. Just to connect them, right? Usually for the washing the water and the toilet is different because it had some solid matters, right? So this is the toilet, but we connected the toilet. They should not be connected here actually, if this is what we're trying to do, right? So let's actually, we can just move it here. And we can remove this. And let's let the toilet connect to each of the toilet, right? So this, how can we connect it there? It has to have like an angle as well, like a 45-degree angle. And this is a bit too low actually. We can adjust it. Let's remove those small pieces. But actually in the actual, when you are doing a model and an engineer already designed it for you, he will have a CAD layout of how you will get the pipes. It will be easy for you if you're the modeler because you know where to put the pipes. Now we don't have a guide, right? We don't have a clue. We don't even have a plumber to tell us that this is the correct one, right? This is the correct way to put it there. But at least we're trying to put this together. Let's see. Let go up. We need another section view, plan view. Where's the plan view? Level 1. Because we want this to connect to this. Actually connect them. Usually for this, they need a 45-degree connection. They usually go like that. And they can go like this. Right? And this as well, it is not proper for it to just go straight. It has to go on a certain angle. It has to have a 45-degree. So what we'll do is we'll get this outside like this, and then we'll get this to go 45 degrees. Okay. We'll remove this pipe first, and also this. We'll get this and create another pipe, and let it connect 45 degrees. Oops. From there will be, I think it's short. It's too short. Move it up, move it back a little bit. Create similar. I think this will connect now. Oh, fine.
TVS horizontal.
Hmm?
TVS horizontal.
Needs a longer. Oh my god. This needs to be longer.
Yes.
And now this can go 45. There. Ah, what's happening? The segment being drawn is on the wrong side of the connection. Let's try to connect it here. No, we need an angle.
No, this one is outside and the other one,
This is high.
yeah.
Let's see. It is not the same level, right? So it has to align to that guy, right? So how do we align it?
You can make it this one down. This one is right down.
Yeah, so we need a view. Where do we get the view? And we don't need to get this to connect to. Oh, these pipes are are tangled already. We need to move this up. Let's change the height of this. So actually the middle elevation is 400. Now we'll change the middle elevation, make it minus 250. It will go up on its own. So see, you change the value there. So now I think it will match it. So this also will make it minus 250 now. middle elevation minus 250. It is now matching. So now it will easily, we can now make the angle, right? Level 1. So this pipe, create. We can now get this to connect to this guy. 45-degree angle. Yeah, perfect. Look at the 3D. Yeah, looks like a real thing. Right? And this is for the drain. I will remove. We'll get this like straight away like that. Okay.
All pipe between heating and flat pipe.
Hmm?
All pipe.
Yeah, usually it will be under the above the ceiling. Above the, yeah, or otherwise it will be outside, inside the shaft, concrete shaft. Okay, so that is the correct placement. Okay, here we're just bringing it outside of the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, just to see it how it happens. Okay, so now we already know how to connect this to that hot water. Let's see if it will connect automatically. Will it connect automatically, Srinivas? Sirini? Will it connect or no? We need to have a pipe that goes there, right?
Yeah.
So let's go to level 1 again. Let's get that pipe. It needs to hit that one. So let's create going there. Then so maybe that one will. Yeah. Okay. Connected now. Let's see the 3D. There you go. Good, huh? Hot water, right? And the cold water. We have so many cold water here. So then maybe we need a branch that goes along the wall. Level 1. Let's get the one pipe from here. But maybe this should be a bigger pipe, right? Bigger size. Let's move it a little bit inside and make it bigger. What's the size? Domestic cold water, correct, right? Make it 25. Yeah. Then let's get this here to go right there. Okay. And then let's get these pipes to connect to it. Click that and just click that, drag it to the middle. It will create a connection. And it will find its way. So this, have to go there. Click it to the middle. There's it. Click to the middle. How is that going? Maybe we have some height issues again here. Let's look at the 3D. Oh, it went down. This is wrong, no? So it's too small, right? So maybe it's better if we make this the height. No, this is actually correct, right? It went up there. So this just has to go down. How? Level 1. Where's that? Extend that. Maybe if we extend that straight there, it will create a connection there. Create its own connection. Let's look at the 3D. There's a T. Oh, it create a nice T, right? That's a good T. Again, with the same thing. Okay. Then we can create this going to the wall, which is easy now. From level 1, we know that pipe. So click that. Okay. Finding it. Create. From there, going to the middle. Boom. Okay, we have a reducer, of course, right? 3D, that looks like a real pipe now. Okay, so what do we do now? We copy all these things and put it on the other floor, right? That will be nice. Okay, are those the branches? Correct? Copy, paste, align to selected levels. Let's put it to level. Where are we now?
Missing here.
Huh? What's missing? Never mind, let's not complete. We'll finish tomorrow if we complete everything. That's your homework. You finish it. That's homework. Okay. So let's put it to level 3 and level 4. Okay. What happened? Oh, that's too high. Why did it go there? Why did it go to the roof? I think something wrong with the name of the levels, right? Undo. Okay. Let's pay because we have it should be level 2, level 3, level 4. Why is it going there? Level 4, maybe it's dangerous. Level 4 is okay. 2, 3, 4, right? Because we don't have level 2 here. Where is level 2? Huh? View, plan view, floor plan. Where is it? Missing. Anyway, let's just paste it. Let's just see how it looks like when we have something. Paste it, align to selected level. Let's put it to level 3. It will be safe, right? Right there. Did it connect? It connected there, right? Connected right there. So if we have the vertical for the drainage, it will also connect. We just had some issues on these levels. For what reason? Why? So this is actually we copied it on what level? On level 1. Why, Razak? There should be level 2, right? I think because we changed some of the levels earlier. Remember, we deleted 2 levels, the existing levels of the plumbing template. Anyway, that's good enough. We will have this plumbing showing, and we still have some time. We will create the firefighting. How do you create firefighting? It can be on the same plumbing template, so we can actually just place it here. Usually, firefighting, you need to place first the sprinklers. Okay, so those sprinklers are like similar to the water, the hand wash, because that's where the water goes out, right? Then you'll have a main branch that connects to them. Yeah, and sometimes that comes from the fire tank, right? From the fire tank or from the uh, firefighting connection from the ground floor. So let's try. This way, it will be on the ceiling plan. We go to the ceiling plan. Let's just put on plumbing firefighting at the ground floor. Okay. Usually, in big projects, the firefighting model is also a separate template. So you start again, similar to how we did it. But since it's a small project, we'll just put on the firefighting in the same model of the plumbing, right? So let's go now to the Ceiling plan, where is the ceiling plan? We don't have a ceiling plan. Go to the ceiling plan. Let's get all of these ceiling plan and okay. So let's go to the level. What level, Rajak? Level 1, right? Level 1 ceiling. Okay, so this is level 1 ceiling. Oh, this is floor plan. Why can't I see the ceiling plan here? Must be hidden. Where is it now, Rajak? Coordination maybe. Ceiling plan there. How to organize this? This is another thing. It's there, huh? Level 1. Okay. So let us have the sprinklers. So let's say we'll just put the sprinklers here at the hallway. Okay, at the hallway. Go to systems. Where is the sprinkler? Oh, sprinkler there. Huh? Click that. Pendant, 15 mm pendant. Okay. Place on what? Work plane. Should be on the ceiling actually. We don't have a ceiling here. This is our problem. Let's put it where there is a ceiling. So let's put it here. So we'll just say place on face. So we'll put it on the face of the ceiling. So I think here we have a ceiling. So let's put some here. One. Another one here. Another one here. Here and there. Not too much. Okay. This is just for the so these are pendant sprinklers. So what's next? You click that, what happens? Is there a connection? There, right? 15 mm. So click that. So let's say the main will go, let's say, to here. But we have a ceiling right there. Let's let it be here. No auto route solution. I think we need a main branch first, right? We need to click pipe. This time that's it's a fire protection right there already, right? So this is usually what's a DWB? The standard pipe. It should be not a copper actually, it'd be a steel. But anyway, let's make the 25 mm for the main pipe here. That goes right here. And like that. Okay. Then let's get this to connect. There. Oh, never. Let's change the scale. Fine. Okay. This is what size? 25. This guy. 15. It should connect. Oh, no auto route solution was found. That's it. I think it's the height issue again. Okay. So let's click this. What is the height of this pipe? Let's see if I just put out one pipe. What's the height of this pipe now? So I think we need to go to one of the section views again. Let's find the section view. Let's take this view from here. Okay. Go to the view. Now we'll go here. So this is the problem now. This is our pipe. And this is the sprinkler. So the pipe should be above the ceiling, right? So let's move it up. What is now the middle elevation? 2.6. Let's change it to 2.9, maybe 2,900. Okay, it's higher now. That looks good, right? And now we click this guy, click this up. Now you can find its connection right there. It will bend and it will hit it right there. Boom. Okay. Now the same way for the other guys. We can just copy this set actually, right?
So that's the feeling.
This is the ceiling.
How will it come?
This is the sprinkler.
Finger that.
This is the sprinkler. So now let's go to the ceiling plan again. Click this. Better to go back here again. Go like that. Go to the view. Similar way. Click this guy. Click this. Get that line aligned. And let it go right there. Oh, did that go? It did not hit it. Let's try to hit it using this tool. It's not going. Should go, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Another one. So let's just move again the section this way. Now this time we'll be connecting two pipes. Go to that section again. Click that. Click this. You can actually with that. See, it connected right away. It found an auto route solution, an auto route connection. Select this. Click this. Click that. It finds its connection, right? So now let's look at this part of the building. Go to the view, in section of 3D. We just extend this. So this is like you're looking at the above ceiling. There is it. There. And this should be like red pipe, right? How can it look red? Does it look red? It should be a red pipe. How do we change it? So now it's a copper pipe, blah, blah, blah. We can actually change edit the type. Anyway, later on, I will teach you how to put different colors on the pipes because there's a coding when everything is together. Let's say for water should be blue, and then
red color.
yes, for the drainage maybe orange, right, or brown. Hot water is red, but in reality it's not red. The pipe that is red is the firefighting pipe.
Yes.
Yes.
So that is why I'm asking. The firefighting also red, then hot water also red, then it will be something.
Yeah. No, in the reality it's not red.
Reality, but design. We'll text it. Somewhere we will text it. Cold water, hot water like that.
No, usually it is just in the actual, it is a PVC pipe. In the actual, these red pipes are steel pipes.
Steel pipe, yes.
These are steel pipes.
Even
Yeah, and they are painted red.
hot water also still red.
No, the hot water, it goes in PVC. PVC or copper.
Copper, maximum copper.
And it is in green with copper, which is inside. Only in the design, it looks red here, and we can even change it later. So maybe the water, we can make them green, like as if it's in the actual. Okay, but that will be later on. So you already have this. So let's start something already that can be done in the ceiling, which is the lighting fixtures. Okay, let's place some lighting fixtures. And what else? What are these guys?
Done.
Duct, right? These are
Diffuser.
diffuser. Okay, but they have to be on separate models. The diffuser will have to be in the HVAC model. The lights will be on the lighting model. So now today we have a few more minutes. We can create the lighting model and the HVAC model. But we'll just place the,
Some comes under plumbing.
no, we'll create a new template.
Okay.
Okay, for the HVAC, we'll start a mechanical template. And of course, for the electrical, we'll start the lighting template. Okay, so I will close this file now. Now we can bring in the plumbing model, architecture, and structure, right?
Then we can know the flashings, right?
Yes, right. That's what it's supposed to be. Now, because here, right here, when I'll show you the seating, so we know that there are sprinklers, so we don't need to put light there. Otherwise, there's a problem. And above the ceiling, you know that there are pipes right there. So you want to try to avoid that if you will have some electrical cables, cable trays, right? So let's just go and start a new, yeah, you can just, how do you close it? You close inactive and close this. Make sure you save it, okay? Okay, what's the step, Vijay?
You.
New? Browse, English, mechanical, default. Is there HVAC? I think there is HVAC. There is HVAC.
HVAC?
Yeah, HVAC template. No, there's nothing, right? H, E, F, there's no H, right? Mechanical. So if there's no HVAC, then we go for mechanical. But if you are working on an actual project on companies, they already have created like HVAC different templates. HVAC template, CCTV template, like what else? Security template. Yeah. Data template and everything. So let's use mechanical default metric and open. Because here in the mechanical default metric, we will already have those big things at the ducts, right?
Yeah, HVAC.
Yeah, the HVAC ducts. So same way, we bring in our models. There's it. Documents, in focus, Arc 2, right? Oh my God, we have so much backup already. Okay, okay. STR 3. Okay. And what else? The newest one, Plum. Good. This must be looking good now. Let's look at 3D. Complete, huh? Even with civil. Because we are looking at the mechanical. The mechanical will show the, yes, the plumbing actually is also part of the mechanical. Right there. Oh, looking good now. So if you are renting a room, an office at the level 2, where will you go for your toilet? Ground floor, right? That's the nearest one. You can go to level 3. Because we don't have connection. There's no water at level 2 and level 3. Huh? No water. Maybe there is a WC there, but there's no connection. So here, I will not go through to the process of borrowing the levels because we already know it, right? No need to repeat it. Since we already have level 1 and 2, let's just align the levels to the correct level. So at least we can put on the lighting, the what are these? The diffusers at the level 1 ceiling. Okay, so just to cut it short, let's go to one of the elevation. And we have, this is the level, right? Level 0. So let's get this level 0 to 2000. Okay. Correct. And then the level 2, let's put it to what? 6,000. So at least we have the correct levels now. And then let's just pull it outside right there. So this is our actual levels. Okay. So level ceiling. So we can now go to the ceiling mechanical. Let's go right away there. Let's save the file first, just to make sure. So B11 MEP, right? Let's just name it HVAC. Save. Okay, now let's go to the ceiling, level 1. Is it level 1? Should be level 2. Level 1, right? See. Okay, so now we know we can put these things on the tiles. Where do we get this? Systems. There you go. Air terminals. Click that. You actually have two. You have supply. I have return. Let's put the supply first. 600 by 600. Okay. See, there is exhaust, supply, and return. Exhaust is like if you have kitchen, something like that. But return is just normal. In certain cases, some of these, they don't have a duct. It's just for the air to come back. We call it return. So let's go for the supply. Let's put it. Why is not going? That? Why is not going? Modify. We already place it, or what happened? What happened? We need to set up our work plane. Set work plane. Ah, okay. This is the trick here already. When you place the HVAC, it can just be on the usually it goes to the floor. Look at the section now. Let's cut the section view. Let's go to this floor plan, level 1. Where is it now? Okay, if it's like this, we'll place it first here. Let's terminal supply. Okay, it's like this actually. We'll just align it later on the seating plan. But see, the level is level 1 and elevation from level is 0. What is our ceiling height? 2.6 maybe? We're not sure, but at least let's put 2.6. Okay, we'll place here. We'll just place one and then we'll just copy it. Okay, now let's go to the ceiling plan. Now we can see it, right? We can now align it so that it will be, how do we align? Modify, align tool. Let's get this line, let it align there, get this line and let it align right. So let's say it's on one side of the tile, right? And then you can just copy it, right? Copy. So you have one supply there and another supply right there. So maybe we copy both and place them somewhere there. Is it enough to cool the room, Ashley? Enough to make it cold? Six supply? Enough? This we don't know, right? The design engineer will decide on this. Will decide on it because it depends on the volume of the room. Volume, not just the size, volume, because we're considering height and even the wall finishes. If it's all glass, sometimes it tends to get hotter. So that's why they have their calculation to define how many diffusers are needed, right? So, but we're just trying to put on these things for now. So that's enough for now. Then we'll put the lighting. We'll put the ducting next week. Okay. Now we already set up our HVAC model.
We're gonna put all return.
Let's put return, right? I know. Well, what I'll do is I will copy this and then replace it, right? Copy, put it right here, and let's make this a return. It's still a supply. Now let's make it a return. There. See? Good. Has been simple, huh? Then we copy this from here to there. Okay, we already have 4 return. That can balance the air now. Ready. Okay. Exhaust we don't have. We don't have a kitchen here, right? Exhaust, right? Toilet, right? Later on. Okay. That's too much already. It's complete building system in 3 hours. That's not easy, right? Okay, so let's look at the 3D. So you have now those guys. Huh? So you can imagine now next week you will see some big ducts connecting to that, right? So, but the concept of that is similar to the piping as well. You make the big main duct, and then you connect these guys, and then you have to have a proper height. That's why it is critical to know the ceiling height and the bottom of the slab, because maybe you don't have enough space there. That's why sometimes in construction, a contractor will say, we need to lower the ceiling so that the duct can fit right there. So this is always happening in coordination. So sometimes maybe we need to lower it a little bit. Okay? Maybe we need to totally remove the ceiling. In restaurants and in some malls, in some offices now, we'll just expose it. It's better, right? If there's a leak, you can see it, right? If there's a running, maybe a cat is living there already, you always hear this, right? And you don't know one day she's already pregnant and there will be some kittens at the ceiling. This is always happening in buildings, right?
Always remember they're planning to open soon.
Yes.
Roof,
For the roof.
all the roof, all the buildings. All open. All the malls.
Yeah, it's better. No, restaurants, they open it. But they use the nice ducts. They paint it white, they paint it black. The others, they buy the special one, like copper.
Looks good.
Wow, this is an expensive one. Normally, it's just the galvanized iron,
Yeah.
right? The one that your guy is doing right there. Right? You have some steel guys who are fabricating this. Yeah, but the special ones, oh, these are expensive ones. Some are round ones, and some are like oval or something, right? So let's set up our electrical already. Okay, we close this now. You already saved it. So next week we can connect these things, and then the electrical will have one electrical. The one electrical will be for the lighting and the power. And then we'll have another one which will name it electronic or ELV. ELV for our security, data. Yeah, the cable, this is part of the electrical power and cable and lighting. Okay? How many? This is a complicated. Yes. That's why when you see a BIM model, there's so many colors, so many. It's like a car, no? That when you open the thing, there's so many cables and everything. So a building is like one big machine. It's complete with all of these things. I'm already tired. You tired already? Ah. We did so many things already. We became a plumber, right? Yeah, right? We became a plumber already. We became electrician. Yeah. We became HVAC guy. One more, 10 more minutes. We're done.
Yeah.
Good today. We discussed so much. One more.
Next week.
Lighting.
Next week.
Let's put the lights. Only on one level. So,
What we going to do? The electrical lighting is pending, then what?
because I want to spend more time with you on your data, right?
What we need to.
Because this you know, you will tell me what to do, right? You'll tell me go to the Eurido room, right? Right?
That we know.
Yeah, we will tell the architect, hey, you need an Eurido room there. Right?
Cable tray.
See, you know it, right? You have the data,
Cabinet.
the data cabinet. We have it here. We can bring them here.
Not only for the.
We will have a server. This is an office, right?
Yes. We need server room.
Yes. So this will be a really nice. So Kalas, because Hasley is packing, that's enough for us. But I will have to give you homework. You have to do at least what we did today, okay, or more. And we have the video. Don't worry. Okay. We'll upload the video right away. Then yes, because we cannot coordinate if you did not do the other things, right? You need to have them, right? So Razak, put toilet on your second and third. Huh? Don't do this. Yeah, because we started early, right? We started 6:30. Now Taban. Razak, you have question, Razak? Did you copy the Razak? Did you copy templates? Copied, done. Huh? And if you can also download the lighting fixtures from BIM object, it's better. Because the ones in Revit are very basic ones. If you want some really nice lighting fixture, and even some plumbing fixture like shower, if you want to get some nice shower, some nice WC, you can find them there in BIM object. Today is number 9. May tatlo pa. 3 more. Ano ba ngayon? 30. So, pabakasyon ka ba?
First thing.
Graduate ka na nun. I think our next is next week we don't have any delay on that. So July 30 now, next session is August 6, 13 and 20. We're done. Congratulations. But do your homework, huh?
Bye.
Okay, see you. I will now end the. Tired? We studied so much, right?
Yes.
Stop the share, end the meeting.